People say the carnivore diet is bad for you, but why so many, like your Rogan, keep trying it? In this video, I'll tell you why Rogan loves this diet and what he feels when he eats this way. I've done carnivore for over a year, lost a bunch of weight, and see how it works, just like Rogan. Stick around and I'll tell you the biggest mistake people make that messes it up. Point 1. Joe Rogan keeps coming back. Joe Rogan doesn't just talk about carnivore, he does it. Not once, but lots of times. Every time his body feels better. If it didn't work, why would a guy with tons of helpers keep doing it? He's not just saying it's cool, he says it works. He loses weight, feels great, and has more energy. Some things it's just too hard. But what's harder, eating meat or feeling tired all the time? Rogan uses this diet because it helps him again and again. But what happens when you eat only meat? Losing weight easily is the second point. Joe Rogan lost weight without trying hard on carnivore. He didn't measure food or exercise more. The fat just went away. Most diets make you count stuff or run a lot, but Rogan ate meat and got skinny without that. And the question is why? Meat stops you from holding extra water and it burns fats instead. Some say it's weird to skip vegetables, but if you can eat a lot and still lose weight, is that so bad? Losing fat and feeling full, that's awesome, and that's carnivore. But what about your energy? And before we go into the next step, press the link in the description and you will get my free weight loss guide that is only in 7 steps. So press the link and fill in your email address. Point number 3 is energy all day. Rogan noticed his energy went up on carnivore. No sleepy afternoons, no feeling slow after eating. People think you need bread for energy, but Rogan says he feels better without it. No ups and downs, just steady power all day. Some say no bread is unhealthy, but what is better, feeling awake or foggy? More energy and no tired moments, that's what meat does. It is not just energy, it helps your body too. And the fourth thing is feeling better inside. Rogan had health problems before carnivore. After eating only meat, they got better. Lots of people say their stomach aches and pains go away too. Most people live with stomach troubles. They take pills or just deal with it. But what if food is the problem? Rogan felt great, no bloating or aches. When he ate just meat, some say you needed veggies, but if meat fixes me, doesn't that matter? Less pain and happier inside just from eating meat. Rogan shows it's real. But can you keep doing it forever? And the fifth thing is, can it last? People say carnivore can't last. They think it's simple, but Rogan and others keep doing it. And the question is why? Most diets are tricky. You count, measure, and get hungry. Carnivore is easy. Just eat meat till you're full. Rogan says it's simple. It is simpler, not harder. Some says it's not healthy. But if you feel great, why does that matter? The best diet is the one that works. For Rogan, that's carnivore. Would you try something new with food? Lots of people skip carnivore without trying, but Rogan's story shows it can make you feel amazing. If this is something you are into, I probably know that you are liking the next video that is up here. If you press this video, you will learn more about the mistakes you can do on the carnivore diet. Press this link and we see you over there.